Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bloom effect in Photoshop. This technique adds a beautiful, soft glow to the highlights of your images, creating a dreamy and ethereal look. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can achieve this captivating effect with ease. First, open your desired image in Photoshop and ensure it is ready for editing. Next, we need to duplicate your main image layer. Simply press Ctrl or Command+J to create a copy. This duplicate layer will be where we apply our bloom effect. After duplicating, change the blending mode of this new layer to Screen. This mode brightens the image and is crucial for building that luminous glow we are aiming for. Now let's add the blur. Navigate to the Filter menu, choose Blur, and then select Gaussian Blur. Here, you will adjust the radius. A good starting point is usually between 20 and 50 pixels, but feel free to experiment. A larger radius will create a more diffused and intense glow, spreading the light further across your image. To fine-tune your bloom, adjust the opacity of the blurred layer. A setting between 30 and 70% often works well, allowing you to control the glow's strength. For selective application, add a layer mask and paint with black to hide the effect in certain areas. Finally, merge your layers to complete your stunning, bloomed image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.